Imagine a world where the banking, financial services, and insurance sector, or BFSI, is not just keeping pace with, but spearheading the technological revolution. Yes, becoming innovators in tech. Hi, I am Subhashini, and I am here to answer the question: what's the secret ingredient? The answer lies in the power of generative artificial intelligence, GenAI for short. It is that branch of AI which allows you to do all the right brain functions. Yes, it goes beyond the logical and process driven into the creative. Gen AI is not just another buzzword in the tech world, it's a game changer for the BFSI sector. It's the tech genie that's bringing about an evolution, producing software code, text, speech, images, and videos, and even assisting in risk and credit management. It's a technology that's reinventing the wheel, reshaping the BFSI industry's approach to financial analysis, customer service, and risk assessment, and becoming the humane face of BFSI. Gone is the stern banker, in comes the sweet, empathetic banker. But, as with any powerful tool, GenAI comes with its own set of challenges. Inaccurate outputs, biases, and the inherent risks of AI utilization are some of the hurdles that BFSI companies must overcome. Yet these challenges can be transformed into opportunities with the right approach. It begins with understanding the inherent risks of Gen AI. Let's look at the McKinsey report, Implementing Generative AI with Speed and Safety. A McKinsey survey found 63% of companies see Gen AI as high priority, but 91% don't feel prepared to implement it responsibly. BFSI companies need to map these risks across various use cases, considering factors such as bias, privacy, and accuracy. Establishing robust governance structures is the next crucial step. This involves tapping into expertise from different functions within the organization, creating a collaborative environment that fosters innovation. Embedding these governance mechanisms within the operational framework ensures accountability throughout the Gen AI lifecycle. Through proactive risk management and a responsible approach to implementation, BFSI companies can unlock the transformative potential of Gen AI while safeguarding against its inherent pitfalls. So, what does the future hold for the BFSI sector with Gen AI? It's a world of innovation and sustainable growth. A world where BFSI organizations are not just participants, but leaders in the technological revolution. The Gen AI journey is about strategic foresight and responsible decision-making, a journey that promises to reshape the BFSI sector for the better. Reach out to me for a discussion at your convenience. I have implemented AI in my product and have some experience on how to create a good Gen AI enabled customer journey. Let's talk.